May update si Carla Abellana sa tinawag niyang egg freezing journey sa latest post niya sa Instagram. May pinost pa siyang photo habang kausap niya ang doktor at ginagawa ang proseso. After over a month of daily injections, countless other medications, multiple trips to at Conceive Manila, several blood tests, so much weight gain, and a whole lot of waiting, the day for egg harvesting and freezing finally came. I can't even describe the mix of excitement and gratitude I felt. Finally, it certainly tested my patience and faith, and while there was a bit of fear and worry, Drs. Ed Songjiao and the nurses at Conceive IVF Manila in QC were so reassuring and comforting every step of the way. I'm beyond thankful for my family and best friends, support too as I pass this next step in my journey. Thank you, Lord. Sa overlay text sa kanyang post, sabi ni Carla, it's been a couple of weeks, but we won't stop trying to get the most of everything. After over a month, it's finally harvest time, at meds and daily injections are starting to work. Harvest time pa lang ang nabanggit niya, pero marami na ang nagko-congratulate sa kanya. Marami rin ang masaya para sa kanya at may mga na-inspire at gagayahin siya. May naglulook forward na sa babies o mga baby niya na galing sa egg freezing journey. Sigurado raw na magaganda o gwapo ang babies ng aktres. Samantala, sa April 16, 2025 na ang simula ng streaming ng Widows, War ni Carla at Bea Alonzo sa Netflix sa mga hindi nakapanood ng umeryang series sa GMA7.